Hey guys, it's your girl Carol back at it again. Welcome back to my channel, Carol Suggests. And on Carol Suggests, we talk about perfect side hustles that you can start today for free or little money. Starting off as a brand new beginner affiliate marketer. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'll drop a link in the description below so you can kind of get a general idea. It's a free ebook that you can read on the steps that I took on how I started my affiliate journey and how I made it to today and how I started earning money and stuff like that. I'll drop the link on of the course that I took that gave me all this knowledge to be able to go out here now and be able to share it with you guys. Moving on, for this episode, we're going to be doing Pinterest, if I haven't already said. Okay. So, how would you promote your affiliate products or services on Pinterest? I got you. You're going to want to go to Clickbank. And if you haven't already, I did a video on Clickbank. You can look on that video. It shows you step by step how to set up your Clickbank account. But on Clickbank, you're going to want to go to your marketplace, right? In your marketplace, right here on the side is going to have a category of products and services that you want to promote. In the category, or niche is what we call it, you're going to find the products or service you want. For me, I do affiliate marketing, so it would be under e-business, e-marketing, right? It's right here. But for this purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to do like this one right here. It's one of the best ones out there, just so I can show you what's working with people and what's not. So when I chose under health and fitness, it's hopefully drop down. There you go. And then it's gonna give you all of these. It's depending on what you want to use. In health and fitness, you also want to use, when you're finding your products and services, you want to use the sort result with gravity. Why gravity, Carol? Because you just want to make sure that the product or service that you are promoting is actually finding success with other affiliate marketers. So that's what gravity is, pretty much, to break it down, right? So the higher the gravity, the better results that other affiliate marketers are having with it. So with this Okinawa flat belly tonic, it has a gravity of 621.63. That's amazing. That's outstanding. So that's why I went with this one. I'm still kind of looking for which pin that'll grab, right? But then you're gonna hit promote, because that's where you're gonna grab your hop link. Up here in the account nickname is where you're gonna put your nickname. If you don't know what I mean by nickname, I can do a separate video for you to help you get your nickname or to start your account up and stuff. Then you're going to hit generate hop links, and then it's going to generate your personal affiliate link. This is the link that you'll be getting paid with, right? Because this is the link that people will click on to get to your to then get to the sales. And then when the sales happen, you get that commission. If that makes sense. Okay, so you're going to copy that link. And then after you copy that link, you're going to go to canva.com. After canva.com, what is canva.com? Canva is where you're going to build your pins for Pinterest. What is a pin? We'll get to that more with another video, and also get into deeper details on how to create a pin with canva.com. Canva.com is absolutely free, so you don't have to pay for anything, and you can create designs. There are templates for social media. It gives you all of these right here. Or you can make personal, business, marketing, education, trending, whatever. You can absolutely look through this and see play around with it. See what really works for you and how you can create your pins, right? Um, Now for mine, I used it like this. I've already done it. You can change the font size or font letterings and stuff to whatever you want to use. Okay, so tonic supplement for weight loss, see incredible results fast. Click on the link for instant access. So this is what I did for my pin. Now the picture, if you don't have a picture and they're not really giving you much here, you can go to pexels.com. So you type in Pexels right here at the top here, pexels.com. It'll then give you this site right here. This website is so amazing. It gives you free videos and photos to use from talented creators. So it's creators that put everything in this website for you to be able to use free photos and free videos. Now, if you type in weight loss, you'll get like so many different pictures and so many different videos that you can look through and pick whichever one you want to use. Like right here it says 4.51 thousand photos, right here it says 1.34 thousand videos. So you have a whole lot of access on free things that you can use for your pins, right? And then it also has by category through the weight loss photos and whatnot. If you want to do yoga, if you're more targeted to yoga, then you can click on that. But let me show you how you can use this and make sure that you are using this like what I did in another video called Creative Commons, where you don't have to do an attribution to the photo or the video. So click on the video. Right here it says free to use. So that means you are good to go. But just to be very, very sure, you're going to click on info and you're going to scroll down. Right here it says free to use in the license. It says free to use and no attribution required. Bonus plus plus. Okay, so this is free to use. Again, pexels.com. I'll drop a link in the description so you can get the instant access as well. But this is where you're going to go to get your free videos and free photos, right? When you've collected your pictures, you're then going to go back to Canva and create your pin. And this is how I did it. And it's copy and paste and it's all this and that. So I've already, when you're done with that, I don't know where that went, but oh, there. Okay, as soon as you've got a pin that you've liked, right, you're going to hit this arrow down button. It's your download button. You want to download it to your computer. It's going to ask you for different, it says MP4 video. That's because these right here, I've added an effect to it, or an, how would you say that? Like, yeah, add an effect to it to where it like flies in or something like that, if that makes sense. But there are other options as well that you can use. Okay. So it's going to use that. I'm going to hit download. It's then going to download to right here to my computer. Okay. So once you're done doing creating your pin, you are then going to go to Pinterest. Okay. Over here on Pinterest, you're going to create a pin. Create a pin, and then right here, you're going to just add in everything right here. Your title. Okay, so you just put in a good description or a title, and then I've already like in my notes section I have everything here that I write out just so it's easier for me to copy and paste. So if that's something that you want to do, absolutely try it out. It's a game saver for me. It just saves a lot of time, so I can just copy and paste and everything's in there about the product and services that I already like went through or looked into, right? So I have this little notepad that I just put everything on here, and then here is where I have everything. Okay, and this is where I would put my destination link, is where it's gonna go to. Now for Pinterest, you want to make sure you are creating a funnel. You need a funnel because you don't have an actual website. You need a funnel to get from you to the actual sales page of the product and services you're promoting. So stick with me because I didn't show that. I apologize. But what you can do, I'm using ClickFunnels. You can absolutely use anything else. I believe there is a group funnels out there as well, Builderall. You can use any of the, just anything that's a funnel builder. So that way you can build your funnel, your bridge to then get to the sales page. So let me show you ClickFunnels, how you create your bridge or your little funnel to get from you to then the sales page. Okay, bear with me We're going to build a funnel. This is how your dashboard looks like. You're going to come right here to the quick links, build a funnel. And you can make it as simple as you can, as well as just like kind of, you're going to want to collect emails, because remember, we are going to be doing email marketing. So the email is going to be weight loss. Select a funnel group. Oh, no, 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 no. You don't need, if you want to add a tag, you can add a tag. That I can get into a deeper details on tags. That's with your autoresponder. But with me, I'm not doing a tag on this, and I'm going to hit build funnel. Wow. Okay, so you're just going to want to click a very basic funnel that you can make. Oh, no. I'm not gonna go into deep details how to create a funnel, because I'll do an actual video on another. I can do another video to really get into deep details, because I don't want to rush through this one. So this is where I do. This is where I make all my funnels. Okay, clickfunnels.com. It gives me all the tools that I need. It gives me so much varieties on how to create funnels, and it gives me a lot of options on how to do it. We'll deep digger in a deep we'll dig deeper. Sorry. We'll dig deeper on another video, and I'll show you how to use ClickFunnels. But ClickFunnels is what I use in order to funnel my audience into my bridge page, into the sales page. Again, if you don't know affiliate marketing, this won't really make sense. But then after you're done creating your funnels, you're gonna get, I always paste it in here. See, look, I showed here hop links. This is from Clickbank. This is the hop link that I got from Clickbank. And then I then created in my ClickFunnels my bridge page already. So this is the URL for that one. Okay, so I saved that and I have everything here already. So in Pinterest, I just have to, I added that already. And then right here, I just have to add that picture that we downloaded, hit open. It's right there. And then you're gonna either create a board or just pick a board that's already up. So I already have this up, and then that's it for how you put it together. And the tags, you're gonna want to put tags here. So it's under weight loss, right? Here. So that way it just tags a lot of anything to do with weight loss. Sorry about the baby crying outside. He is having a fit. My mom's with him. But then you're gonna hit publish, and then that's it. So then it's published. Then you have one pin out there. What I want you guys to do is I want you guys to create at least 100, at least 50 to 100 pins a day, in an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. Take the time to really get this out there, and whatever one gets the most views, or the one that's getting interaction the most, that's the one you're going to focus on the most. Okay, so you're going to want to put out as many as you can, just so you can see which one is attracting or which one is getting traction, and then use that one to really focus on and make bigger, and just to really create around that one. Okay, so you've created your pin. That is how to start off one of the side hustles for free, completely free. Again, all the sites I will list down in the description below. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and again, in the comment section, whatever videos you want to see next, click by click, step by step, I got you. Just drop it in there. And thank you so much for hanging out with me all the way till the end. You are so great. I love you guys so much. And I'll be making more videos again. See you in the next video. Bye.